plastic bottles as the main material to create a water fountain. This is not only attractive but also functions as a tool to reduce the accumulation of plastic waste that harms the environment.
We made a water fountain using plastic bottles. The bottles were used to build the shape of the fountain. Then we used PU foam to cover the outside. The foam made surface look like a real stones. This gave the fountain a natural and beautiful look. Our project is also eco-friendly because we reuse plastic bottles. First, we fill the water into the base of the water fountain. To make the water flow, we use a small water pump. The pump helps the water move in a nice and smooth way. We also added a snow pump to create a snow-like effect, which makes the fountain more fun and interesting. To make it look even more beautiful, we use colorful lights. The lights shine on the water and the foam, making the old fountain look like a bright and attractive, especially in the dark. This project is creative, eco-friendly, and a great decoration. We place the water fountain in our studio room as a decorative item. The gentle sound of the flowing water creates a calm and relaxing atmosphere. It gives a peaceful feeling and helps everyone feel more comfortable and focused. The combination of water flow, snow effect, and colorful lights makes the room look beautiful and feel soothing. It's not only a creative decoration but also brings a sense of peace to the mind.
Economic value. This project gives the community an opportunity to create artistic items from low value waste. It also opens up opportunities for small businesses to produce decorative items using used plastic bottles. As a conclusion, the solid waste disposal project through the creation of a water fountain from plastic bottles is a creative and innovative approach to addressing the growing problem of plastic waste. It not only benefits the environment but also has a positive impact on public awareness about recycling and reusing waste materials. This project is intended to inspire people to see the potential in every piece of waste and turn into something useful.